Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you Amazon Prime Visa cardholders out there. Ever wondered how to make the most of that extended warranty perk on your purchases? Well, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can protect your investments like a pro. First off, what exactly is the Amazon Prime Visa Extended Warranty? It's a fantastic benefit that automatically extends the manufacturer's warranty on eligible items you buy with your card. For most products, it adds an extra year of coverage beyond the original warranty. But remember, this only applies to items purchased in the US with your Prime Visa, and there are some exclusions like cars or real estate. To get started, the process is pretty straightforward. Step 1. Make your purchase using your Amazon Prime Visa card. That's key because the warranty kicks in automatically for qualifying items. No need to sign up or activate anything up front, it's hassle-free. Now, if something goes wrong and your item breaks after the manufacturer's warranty ends, here's what you do. Step 2. Gather your proof. You'll need your original receipt, which you can easily access through your Amazon account, and any other relevant documents like the item's manual or photos of the damage. Step 3. File a claim. Head over to the Chase website or app, since Amazon Prime Visa is issued by Chase, and log into your account. Look for the Benefits section, where you'll find the warranty claim form. Fill it out with details about the item, the issue, and upload your documents. Claims are usually processed within a few weeks, and if approved, you might get a replacement or reimbursement. A few tips to keep in mind. Always check the manufacturer's warranty first to know when it expires. Also, this extended warranty doesn't cover normal wear and tear, so document any defects right away. And if you're unsure about eligibility, the Chase customer service team is there to help. There you have it. Using your Amazon Prime Visa extended warranty is easier than you might think. It could save you a ton of money down the line. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.